If you feel like there's a new AI tool dropping every few minutes, you're definitely not wrong. Every week there's a new game changer that's supposed to revolutionize your business. And now you've got 47 tabs open, 3 subscriptions you forgot about, and you're somehow less productive than before you started. You don't need 100 AI tools. You need the right ones. A clean, no overlap stack that covers everything from brainstorming to research, content creation, automation, and running your store. That's exactly what we're building today. By the end of this video, you're going to have a complete AI toolkit. 10 tools, each one the best at what it does. So you can stop searching and start actually getting things done. If you're new here, welcome to Learn with Shopify, the official Shopify YouTube channel that helps you build, grow, and future-proof your business. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss what's coming next, because we've got deep dives planned on several of the tools I'll be talking about. All right, before we dive in, let me explain how this video is structured and how these tools were picked. We've organized everything into categories. Think of each tool as filling one specific role. One category is your brain for thinking and drafting. Another is your research copilot. Another handles design. Another does editing. You get the idea. One chapter, one category, the best in class pick. A quick disclaimer. This video is not sponsored. None of these companies paid us to be here, and we don't do sponsored tool recommendations. Every pick is based on 4 things: how popular the tool is with real users, how useful it is day to day, not just for one flashy demo, how simple the interface is for someone who isn't a developer, and whether it has a solid free tier or affordable entry point, so you can actually give it a try. Cool? Cool. Let's get to it and build your stack. Every AI toolkit starts here with your core thinking model. This is the tool that you open first thing in the morning. The one you throw half-baked ideas at. The one that helps you write emails at midnight when your brain has officially clocked out. The big 3 right now are ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. And honestly, all 3 are excellent, but they each have a distinct personality. ChatGPT is the Swiss Army knife. It does everything well. It's got the largest ecosystem of plugins, and if there's any AI tool you've used before, this is probably the one. Claude is the deep thinker. It's phenomenal for long-form writing, nuanced analysis, and conversations where you need the AI to really understand context. And Gemini is Google's play. It's tightly integrated with Google Workspace, which is a huge advantage if your business lives in Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. Here's how I think about it. If you want one brain that handles the widest range of tasks, and you're not particularly picky, go with ChatGPT. If you write a lot, scripts, blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and quality of writing matters to you, Claude is the answer. And if your whole operation runs on Google, Gemini might save you the most time, just because of how seamlessly it plugs in. Use this for brainstorming video ideas, drafting scripts, writing customer emails, generating code snippets, business planning, basically anything that starts with, I need to think through, or can you write me a... We've got a full AI tools playlist that goes way deeper into each of these. I'll link it down in the description below and drop a card right up here if you want to compare them head to head. Pick one of these, learn it well, and that's your foundation. Research and AI search. Your AI brain is great for generating ideas, but when you need facts, real, cited, current information, you need a dedicated research tool. This is where Perplexity and Comet come in. They do, however, solve slightly different problems. Perplexity is what you'd get if Google Search and ChatGPT had a very smart baby. You ask it a question, and instead of giving you 10 blue links to sort through, it gives you a synthesized answer with citations. You can see exactly where every claim comes from, click through to the sources, and actually trust what you're reading. It's incredible for market research, competitor analysis, or just figuring out what's the best approach to X, without having to spend an hour in a Google rabbit hole. Comet is a newer player that takes this a step further. It's an AI-native browser that bakes research assistance directly into your browsing experience. Instead of searching between tabs and your AI tool, the AI is right there as you browse, summarizing pages, comparing information, and helping you make sense of everything in real time. Here's a workflow I love. Search a topic in Perplexity, get the synthesized answer with sources, then drop those key points into your AI brain to turn them into an action plan or a piece of content. Research to execution in minutes instead of hours. Doesn't get any better than that. We've done full breakdowns on both Perplexity and Comet. Links in the description if you want to dive deeper on either one. Images and design. If you've ever spent way too long dragging boxes around in Photoshop and still ended up with something that looks like a middle school science fair poster, you're gonna love this category. For pure image generation, the create something from nothing kind of magic, Midjourney is still the gold standard. The quality of what it produces is genuinely stunning, and it's gotten way more accessible in the early days of typing prompts into Discord. If you need product mockups, lifestyle shots, or eye-catching social graphics, Midjourney delivers. Google's image generation tools, including Nano Banana and the newer generation capabilities, are honestly so impressive right now. The photorealism is incredible. They're baked right into the Google ecosystem, and they've basically solved the text rendering problem, meaning you can generate images with clean, readable text on them, which has been a big pain point for AI image tools over the years. They're also expanding into product shots, marketing assets, and video generation. And then there's PixArt, which is less about generating images from scratch and more about editing and enhancing what you already have. Their AI-powered tools for background removal, image enhancement, and quick social media graphics are fantastic for the day-to-day stuff that doesn't have to be a masterpiece, but still looks very professional. And if you're running an e-commerce store and are on Shopify, you've actually got a free image generation and background removal tool built right into your admin through Shopify Sidekick. No extra subscription needed. We've got a full Shopify tutorial that walks you through exactly how to use it. And yep, you can find it right here or in the description below. Video editing and repurposing. Creating video content isn't optional anymore. It really is how you grow. But editing video has traditionally been this massive time sink that requires expensive software and a learning curve. But now, thanks to AI, that isn't the case anymore. Descript changed the game by letting you edit video the same way you edit a document. Your video gets transcribed, and then you literally delete words from the transcript to cut them from the video. See a filler word? Delete it. Want to rearrange a section? Drag it. It's so intuitive, it almost feels like you're cheating. Just a little bit. Runway is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI video. We're talking generating video clips from text prompts, extending scenes, removing objects from footage. It's more experimental, but when you need something creative and you don't have the footage, Runway can fill that gap. And Captions AI has become the go-to for short-form content. It auto-generates captions with those trendy animated styles you see everywhere on Reels and TikTok, and it makes repurposing long-form content into shorts almost effortless. Here's the move for most business owners. Film your content, clean it up in Descript, use Runway to fill in any gaps where you need extra footage or creative visuals you didn't shoot, and then use Captions AI to chop everything into short-form clips for every platform. One filming session can become a week's worth of content across every channel you post on. And that's how you truly scale without burning out. Voice and audio generation. This one is honestly kind of wild. ElevenLabs has made it possible to generate voiceovers that sound real, like authentically human. Not that robotic text-to-speech voice from 2015 that made everything sound like a GPS giving you existential directions. Gosh, I'm getting hot flashes just thinking about that.
I sure like being inside this fancy computer.
Let's create something that feels real, sounds human, and connects every time.
Here's why this matters for your business. Let's say you record a product video and you flub a line. Instead of re-recording the entire thing, you can just patch that one line with a cloned version of your voice and it blends seamlessly. Or say you want to create content in Spanish, French, or Japanese for international customers. You can generate multilingual voiceovers from the same script without having to hire voice actors for each language. You can also use it for ad voiceovers, podcast intros, automated customer service messages, or even internal training videos. Anywhere you need a professional voice but don't have the time, budget, or setup to record one. A word of caution though, always be transparent with your audience about AI-generated voice content. Trust is everything, especially in e-commerce. Use this to enhance your workflow, not to deceive. Also, in the audio category, there's Wispr Flow, and this one does the opposite. Instead of generating a voice, it takes your voice and turns it into clean, structured text in whatever app you're working in. Emails, docs, captions. You just talk and it gives you polished, usable copy. It's perfect for those moments when your brain is working faster than your fingers. And the free tier is generous enough to actually get a feel for it before you ultimately commit. Automation and AI agents. Okay, here's where things get really powerful. If you're still manually doing the same repetitive tasks every day, posting to social media, sending follow-up emails, syncing data between apps, automation tools are about to give you back hours of your life every single week. The three big players here are N8N, Make, and Gumloop. And for most business owners, our main pick is Gumloop. Here's why. It's designed specifically for people who aren't engineers. The visual workflow builder is drag and drop, the templates are genuinely useful, and it handles AI-powered automations natively, meaning you can plug your AI brain directly into your workflows. N8N is fantastic if you're more technical and want full control. It's open source, self-hostable, and incredibly flexible. Make, formerly Integromat, sits in the middle. Powerful, but with a gentler learning curve than N8N. Here's a simple automation that saves me probably 2 hours a week. Every time we publish a YouTube video, an automation pulls the title and description, sends it to an AI model to generate platform-specific captions for Instagram, X, and LinkedIn, then schedules all 3 posts automatically. I don't touch it. It just happens. Here's my recommendation. Start simple. Automate one thing that takes up a lot of your time, then build from there. You'll be amazed how quickly those small automations add up over time. Knowledge Hub and Second Brain. Every business owner I know has the same problem. Information is everywhere. Notes in one app, SOPs in a Google Doc, ideas in your phone's Notes app, that one brilliant thought you had at 2 a.m. that you swore you'd remember, so you wrote it down in Notes and then completely forgot about it. Does that sound familiar? This is where an AI-augmented workspace like Notion AI becomes your second brain. It's not just a note-taking app, it's a place to centralize everything your business runs on, and then actually talk to that information. Think about it. You dump all your processes, product notes, meeting summaries, content calendars, and brand guidelines into Notion. Then, when you need something, instead of searching through folders, you just ask, what was our return policy decision from last month's meeting? Or show me all our product launch SOPs. The AI searches your workspace and gives you the answer instantly. Now, Mem takes the opposite approach. It's lightweight, it's fast, and there's almost no setup. You just write. No folders, no databases, no color-coded tags that take longer to set up than the actual work. You just dump your thoughts in, and the AI connects everything behind the scenes, linking related ideas, surfacing things you forgot you wrote, and letting you ask questions about your own notes later. If the idea of designing a whole workspace is exhausting and makes you want to take a nap, Mem is your tool. The trade-off here is control. Mem isn't a full operating system the way Notion is. You're not gonna run your entire business out of it. So think about what matters more to you, structure and flexibility, or speed and zero friction. Either way, the real move here is the same. Pick one and start putting everything in one place. I promise you'll thank yourself later. Writing polish and brand voice. We know that your AI brain can write a first draft, but first drafts are, well, first drafts. They need tightening, polishing, and most importantly, they need to sound like you and your brand, not like a robot. That's where a writing refinement tool comes in. Grammarly is a staple here, and it's evolved way beyond spell check. It catches tone issues, suggests clearer phrasing, and can now even adapt to your brand voice. Set it up once with your style preferences, and it'll nudge every email, product description, and social post towards consistency. If you're the only one writing for your business, Grammarly keeps you sharp. If you have a team, it keeps everyone on brand. Jasper takes a slightly different approach. It's built specifically for marketing content and excels at generating copy that converts. If you're writing ads, landing pages, or email campaigns, and you want something that understands marketing psychology out of the box, Jasper is worth a look. Here's how this fits into your stack. Draft in ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Claude, shape it in Jasper if it's marketing copy, and then give it a final polish in Grammarly before it goes live. 3 straightforward steps, and you've got content that sells well, reads clean, and sounds authentically you. Meetings, calls, and transcription. Here's something every business owner has experienced. You jump on a call, have an incredible conversation full of great ideas and clear next steps, and then 2 days later, you can't remember half of what was said. That's not just me, right? Okay. Fireflies and Otter both solve this by automatically joining your calls, transcribing everything, and then summarizing the key points and action items. You can stop worrying about taking notes and start actually being present in the conversation. That's a real breakthrough, huh? Fireflies is particularly strong for business use. It integrates with every major video call platform, generates clean summaries organized by topics and action items, and can even analyze sentiment and speaking patterns across calls. Otter is a solid alternative that's great for individual use and offers a really smooth real-time transcription experience. The real power move. Connect this to your automation tool from earlier. Call ends, summary generates, action items automatically populate in your project management tool, and a follow-up email drafts itself. You went from a 30-minute call to a fully documented, actionable outcome without lifting a finger after hanging up. E-commerce and store AI. Shopify Sidekick. All right, we saved the best for last. And yeah, I'm biased. But hear me out, because this one is genuinely different from everything else on the list. Shopify Sidekick is Shopify's built-in AI assistant. And calling it an assistant honestly undersells it at this point. It's more like having a store operator who knows your business inside and out and can actually do things, not just suggest them. Let me break down what Sidekick can actually do, because the list has gotten kind of wild. Content and creative. Sidekick generates product descriptions, marketing emails, and blog posts. But here's the thing that makes it different from just using ChatGPT. It writes in your brand voice because it already knows your store, your products, and your customers. It also generates product images, banners, and can remove backgrounds from photos right inside your admin. No switching to another tool, no exporting and importing. It's all right there. Analytics and insights. This is where Sidekick gets seriously impressive. Instead of staring at your analytics dashboard trying to figure out what the numbers mean, you just ask, what were my best-selling products last month? Where am I losing customers in the checkout flow? How did my email campaign perform compared to last quarter? Sidekick pulls from your actual store data using Shopify QL and the latest analytics updates to give you real answers, not generic advice. Store operations. And here's where it really earns the operator title. You can tell Sidekick to do things using plain language. Set up a discount code, create a product collection, edit your theme, build a workflow in Shopify Flow, or even create simple apps. It's not just answering questions, it's executing tasks. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. Watch this. You're going to want to say to Sidekick, create a 20% weekend sale on all summer products. Send an email to my customer list announcing it, and generate a homepage banner for the promotion. Did you see that? What would normally take you an hour of bouncing between your store admin, your email platform, and a design tool, Sidekick compressed into a couple of minutes. And it's not just fast, it's smart about it because it knows your store context. The email matches your brand voice, the banner fits your theme, the discount rules are set correctly. If you're running a Shopify store and you're not using Sidekick yet, you're working way harder than you need to. So if you're not on Shopify yet, there's a free trial. Links in the description. Give it a spin and see what Sidekick can do for your business. All right, you made it to the end of the video, which means you've already gotten way ahead of everybody else who's still stuck in the download everything and use nothing phase. Respect. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and let me know which of these tools you want us to do a full deep dive tutorial on next. Shopify Sidekick combined with the automation tools, a full walkthrough of building your research workflow, whatever it is, let us know. Your comments literally shape what we make next. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, hey, you've made it this far. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we've got deep dives, advanced workflows, and a lot more coming to help you build smarter. Check out our AI Tools for Business Owners playlist for more. I'll drop it in the description down below. And if you want to start your own e-commerce business, even if you've never sold anything online before, we've got a Shopify tutorial series that walks you through everything step by step. Thanks for hanging out. Now go build something amazing.